Let me tell you a few tips to use and know that your jollof rice is going to be tasty. First of all, your onions. Allow it to release flavor. Then add your tomatoes. That tomatoes should be well cooked, especially the thin tomatoes. Cook it very well. Then your tomato mix. If you don't know how to know the right tomato mix, tell me in the comment section. Then the quantity of water you add to your jollof rice. These things, if you get it right, your jollof rice will be tasty. Tell me in the comment section other tips that will make your jollof rice very tasty and delicious. Bye.